Coconut oil, 2 tablespoons. This is why I like to take these and let them defrost. Leave them in the sink, let them defrost. Now that takes out, look at this. Seriously. That's why I let them defrost and then I squeeze them out. This has added a lot of cooking time to my dinner. Alright, you can hear it sizzling away in the back. We got some minced garlic. Good tablespoon. A little hoisin. Say about 1.5 tablespoons. We got our ham. That one. Guess I didn't do that good a job cutting it up. Quick pause. You can hear it sizzling away in the background, and bam, there she is. Shut off the fire. We have only a little bit of moisture in the bottom. See that? Want to get rid of some of that moisture? We got our pumpkin seed. Two tablespoons. As you can see, it's no longer a liquid on the bottom. Alright, there's my ham and sugar snap, hoisin ham and sugar snap stir fry with the garlic. Don't forget about the garlic. Wait, hold on. Garlic. I was tempted to use mustard. Something about mustard and hoisin sauce worked perfectly, but I just wanted straight out hoisin. Love it.